I've recorded this 3 times now, and I don't want to do it again, but I am, cause I'm gonna get a video out this week if it fucking kills me, which it probably will. Anyway, I'm talking to you today about the Fuji S8200. It's a Finepix camera. It's cheap as shit. I've had it for 5 years, and I don't really want to ever use it again after seeing what I've seen today. For the most part, the camera's pretty good. It's got a nice zoom. You got a 40 times zoom, which is pretty good. I mean, it goes to about 800mm, which comparatively on the X-T2 is absurd. If you were to get an 800mm, you have to get to the 100 to 400 and the 1.4 teleconverter, and that's it. That's the only way you can get 100mm on the Fuji. Image quality wise, pretty shit. Not great. How can I explain it? If you took my X-T2 and dumped the lens in Vaseline, making sure it got in each layer, that's kind of how you get it. It's not bad. That sounds a lot worse than it actually is. It's not bad, but it's not sharp. I'm comparing a £50 secondhand fucking bridge camera to a almost $1,000 lens. So it's apples to oranges, really. Apples to fucking hard rock. One doesn't really taste nice. So it's really not that easy to compare these two, because it's completely unfair. From a kind of face value, £50 for this on secondhand eBay. It's a fucking deal, honestly. 1080p 60fps video, 16 megapixels. So you can crank stuff out for actual professional stuff. You just have to get all the settings right. Minimum ISO is 100 on this. Minimum ISO is 100. My minimum ISO on this is 200 native. This has a better lower ISO than my my main camera. That's saying something. Overall, image quality is horrendous. I can show you comparisons between, the X-T2 and the Finepix. It's noticeable. It's very noticeable. Image quality and just color in general. Color as a whole is just bad on that camera. It's not Fuji's finest work, despite it being their fine pics. There ain't very many fine pics you can get with it. But it's not bad. Not bad. It's a AA battery camera, which is questionable why that ever existed. Maybe because the lack of lithium. Oh, you need lithium batteries for it. Well, why don't you just make one lithium battery, Fuji, you idiots? He says, owning multiple Fuji cameras. What it is. Buy it if you wish. If you don't wish, don't buy it.